how to add phone number in Roblox if it's not there or missing. Load up Roblox, then click on the gear icon in the top right and you want to go into settings. Now from here you should normally see phone number. So right here you have phone number and the option to add it. Now one of the reasons why you might not have this option is because you live in a restricted country. So some countries will not have the option of getting a phone number. If you have verified that you live in a country which supports phone number logins, then you will go and type roblox.com. Here you want to change the URL to /support and you will type your email address, confirm your address. Then you need to select which device you use to play. For me, it's going to be PC. The type of help category is going to be account hacked or can't log in. And then you will choose other login issues here from the second field. And you want to explain that the phone number option is missing for me. Why can't I add a phone number? And you will type this, but only after you have verified that your country does support phone numbers and you can log in from your country using your mobile phone in Roblox. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.